Hey YouTubers, what's going on? And today I'm going to prove two things. What this guy, in fact several of the YouTubers videos that went viral about using the WD-40 to restore wiper blades. And today I'm going to just demonstrate exactly what he did and prove two things. Either he lied about it or he is correct. So we're going to find out if this WD-40 really works to restore wiper blades. Watch this video. Alright, so just to prove, I'm going to wet this screen with water and wipe. And now let's proceed with the WD-40. To this. So now we're going to demonstrate that again with one more try. So as you can hear that actually there's some squeaking sound. That is pretty due to probably the surface is dirty. So I'm going to clean it up. But definitely it's getting much cleaner for the glass. And you can hear that the squeaking sound is still here, but definitely much cleaner. So I'll give that guy the video a half thumbs up and a half thumbs down, because it does work for certain aspect of it, but to get rid of the sound is still really bad, so it doesn't really work. It probably cleans up the wiper blades a little bit, but definitely does not work 100%. So it's still best to get a new wiper. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up and do remember to subscribe. Not to the WD-40, to my channel. Right. See you guys. Bye.